Welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to discuss about a condition known as fatty liver. Being the largest gland in our body, our liver helps us to process our nutrients from food, and at the same time liver helps to remove the harmful substances from our blood. It is noted that nowadays the fatty liver disease is a common disorder that affects near about 25 to 49% of adults and 5 to 9% of children approximately. Academically, in fatty liver disease, on examination, if 100 grams of liver tissue contains more than 5 grams of fat, then it is known as a condition of fatty liver. As you know, even being the largest vital organ in our body, even being the largest gland in our body, even being the main factory of lipid metabolism in our body, but the liver may contain only negligible or very few percentage of fat in a healthy one. So, on examination, if there is more than 5 grams of fat per 100 grams of liver constitute a condition of fatty liver. Let us see why fatty liver disease has become more common in India, especially in Kerala. It is mainly due to the sedentary lifestyle of an individual, basically. That includes the physical inactivity and unhealthy food choices, such as consumption of large quantity of high caloric junk foods, because such type of food that results in accumulation of additional or unwanted quantity of fatty acids, water, carbohydrate, etc. may get accumulate in the liver, and finally all this additional energy or unwanted energy will converted into fat, and the same may get accumulated in the liver. Next, regarding the unhealthy eating habits. As you know, our physical health mainly depends on the kind of food what we eat. There has been a drastic change in selection of food, especially nowadays. Individuals are more focused on eating, especially with junk foods, high caloric food, especially red meat, sweets, bakery items, etc. and drinks like carbonated drinks or packet juices or energy drinks, etc. More than that, persistent or continuous use of alcohol. Such poor dietary habits may contribute to the. Let's study about the unhealthy eating habits which contribute to fatty liver disease. As you know, our physical health depends on kind of food what we eat. There has been a drastic change in the selection of food nowadays. That means individuals are more focused on food like junk food, high caloric food, especially red meat, sweets, fried items, oily, fatty, acidic, spicy foods, and drinks like carbonated drinks or packet juices or energy drinks, etc. More than that, consumption of alcohol plays great important role in the production of fatty liver disease. So, such poor dietary habits may contribute into the development of fatty liver diseases. Close observation of fatty liver We can categorize the fatty liver mainly into non-alcoholic and alcoholic fatty liver disorders. Because, as we mentioned earlier, most of the fatty liver disease patient may not have the habit of alcoholism, but at the same time, they had the fatty liver mainly because of above mentioned poor dietary or lifestyle habits. That is why the most of the fatty liver disease patient belongs to the type non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD. That is why nowadays the NAFLD is considered as a lifestyle disorder. In such condition, or while having the ultrasound or fibroscan, or by doing the LFT, the diagnosis may be as NAFLD, but that may not cause, or that condition may not affect the hepatocytic function, or the LFT may be seems to be very normal. And next type of fatty liver disease is termed as NASH. That means non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. As you know, the steatosis, it is nothing but the infiltration or deposition of the fatty tissue or fat droplets. But here, due to the continuous deposition of the fat droplets in the liver, the same may leads to inflammation. That is why the condition known as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Hepatitis means inflammation of the hepatocytes. That is what we call the NASH. And next type of fatty liver disease described as NASH with fibrosis. That means there is fatty liver condition with inflammation and with fibrosis. Because as you know, the pathology advance, there may be deposition of fibroblastic tissues in liver. That leads to a condition known as fibrosis. So if our patient belongs to that condition, that is known as NASH with fibrosis. Next category can be alcoholic fatty liver disease or AFLD, alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, or the patient may with a condition of ASH, that is alcoholic steatohepatitis. So here the fatty liver is mainly due to the alcoholism, and because of the alcoholism, that condition leads to deposition of fat, and along with that the same may results in inflammation of the liver. So mainly the fatty liver can be classified into simple steatosis, and mostly the fatty liver belongs to the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease category, and second to the NAFLD category, the patient belongs to condition of non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. That means along with the fatty liver with inflammation, and another category, that is NASH with fibrosis. And one of the main risk factor of fatty liver is alcohol. So if the fatty liver is because of the persistent or continuous usage of alcohol, such category are known as alcoholic fatty liver disease. And along with the alcoholic fatty liver, if there is inflammation, that condition is known as alcoholic steatohepatitis. Okay. Next to the category of fatty liver disease, let us observe the personalities comes under the risk group of, or the possible personalities who had or who are supposed to have the fatty liver disease. As you know, the fatty liver disease is mainly seen in individualities like obese individuality or obesity plays great important role in the production of fatty liver, and in personalities with who had the type 2 diabetes. So obesity with or without type 2 diabetes, then personality with hypercholesterolemia, hypertriglyceridemia, and in personalities with other endocrinal disorders like PCOD or hypothyroidism. Such personalities are with a high risk group of fatty liver disease. Or if our patient is having a condition of fatty liver, mostly such personalities may be an obese personality, or along with fatty liver, the person may having type 2 diabetes with dyslipidemia, with hypertension, with other endocrinal problems like PCOD or PCOD or hypothyroid problems. Other than the obesity, diabetes or hyperlipidemia, the same fatty liver can be mainly due to the infection or inflammation of the hepatocytes, mainly by hepatitis C and hepatitis B viral infections. Next category of personality can be studied who use or abuse the pharmacological properties of mainly the modern system of medicines. That means drug-induced hepatitis or hepatotoxic drugs. These drugs are commonly known as NSAIDs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or who abuse the acetaminophen or paracetamol or painkillers, or the hepatotoxic drugs like anti-tuberculous drugs, especially INH, isoniazid, amiodarone, rifampicin, etc. may adversely affect the quality of liver, and thereby the same may leads to a condition of fatty liver disease.